So today I'm going to present our group project, which is Cendol Day Cafe. The subject for this project is ICT450 Database Design and Development. This presentation for Miss Nur INTAN SHAFINI. Okay, this presented by Muhammad SHAHRIZAN bin SHAMSUL, Muhammad SHUKRI bin A.RAHMAN, Muhammad ZAINUL AMRY bin ZULKEPLY, AHMAD FATIHIN bin Muhammad Esa. Our group name is LAZT, LAZT. Our group class is NBCS2403A. Basically, this presentation will cover for background, company background, problem statement, objective, business rule, entity relationship diagram, normalization, table with data integrity, data dictionary, data definition, language output, data manipulation language, and screenshot of application. Other than that, menu, report, form, subform, and 10 SQL queries. Okay, we go to the company background. Cendol Day Cafe is a charming Malaysian-inspired eatery nestled in downtown Salaktinggi, founded in 2020 by culinary exaltation Danish and Sarah. The cafe celebrates Malaysian diverse culinary heritage with its authentic flavor and warm hospitality, specializing in traditional Malaysian delicacies and beverages. Cendol Day Cafe offer a unique dining experience that showcase the rich tapestry of Malaysian cuisine. With a commitment to the sustainability and community engagement, the cafe strives to delight patrons with flavorful dishes while supporting local farmer and artisan. Welcome to Cendol Day Cafe, where every meal is a celebration of Malaysian culture and culinary excellence. However, manual process increase the risk of a data entry error, hinder efficiency, limit scalability, and pose security and compliance concern. To address these challenges while maintaining its authentic charm, Cendol Day Cafe may need to explore integrating digital solutions to streamline operation and enhance the data management practice. Here is the Cendol Day Cafe location and the outlet, and also here some picture of the menus from the Cendol Day Cafe. Problem statement. From problem statement, we have manual order processing. That the shop currently use manual technique to handle the order, which is prone to mistake and insufficiency. Handwritten order form and verbal communication frequently result in misunderstanding and mistake in order fulfillment. Second, inventory management. Without a centralized system, managing inventory level and replacing supplies become difficult. The lack of real-time inventory update raises the danger of stock up or overstocking, which can result in lost revenue or resources waste. Number 3, customer relationship management, CRM. The shop struggle to have a complete database of client information and purchase history. As a result, personalized customer interact and focused marketing activity are restricted, affecting customer happiness and retention. Analytic insight. Without access to data analytic and reporting tools, the shop cannot analyze sale trend, discover popular goods, or precisely estimate demand. This impedes strategic decision making and stop the business from improving its product offer and price tactic. And lastly, operational efficiency. The lack of automated system for order administration, inventory monitoring and reporting causes insufficiency in day-to-day operation. Staff member waste significant time to manual process that might be automated with the right business technology, resisting their productivity and ability to focus on customer care.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad ZAINUL AMRY bin ZULKEPLY. My ID number 2022262122. So I will present about the objective of our group. First, our objective is to gather and analyze the requirements need for Cendol Day Cafe business to enhance operational efficiency and overcome the problem statement. Number 2, to design an ERD that based on requirement gathered in objective 1. And 3, to develop Cendol Day Cafe database system by using Microsoft Access. For business rule, we have 4 business rules. First, customer management. Customer must register with their name, contact information, and reference. Each customer can place multiple orders. The database should store customer preference and favorite dishes or dietary restriction. Number 2, menu management. Detail about all the food and drink that are served, such as ingredients, cost, and availability should be included in the menu database. Food items have to be arranged according to the kind of meal and dietary needs. Then, there could be more than one ingredient in any menu item. Third, order processing. Orders have to be documented using a special number that include the customer's information, the date and the time. There may be more than one menu item in each order. Any change made to the menu or special request should be properly recorded. And lastly, employee management. The position, timetable, and contact details should all be included in employee profile. Payroll data, employee hours work, and attendance should all be tracked by the database. And lastly, training record and performance review ought to be kept on file.
This is our entity relationship diagram. We have 6 tables, which is order menu table, order table, transaction table, menu table, customer table, and employee table. We go to customer table first. In customer table, we have customer ID as primary key. Attribute, we have customer name and contact number. Next, we go to order table. In order table, we have order ID as primary key, order date as attribute, and customer ID for foreign key. Next, we go to order menu table. In order menu table, we have order menu ID for primary key, quantity as attribute, order ID, and menu ID as foreign key. Next, we go to menu table. In menu table, we have menu ID as primary key. For attribute, we have menu name, price and category. In transaction table, we have transaction ID for primary key, payment method and total amount as attribute, order ID and employee ID as foreign key. For employee table, we have employee ID for primary key and employee name and role as attribute. And you can see, first we go to customer table. After customer place the order, and then it go to order menu for consist for add the menu into the order, and then after the customer set the order, they will go to transaction table for payment, and at transaction table we have employee to handle the payment section. This is normalization slide. This is first normal form. In first normal form, we have detail. The detail, we collect all the data and then put in the detail, and then divided by 2, which is partial dependency and transitive dependency. In partial dependency, we have menu, order, and transaction. In transitive dependency, we have customer and employee. In menu, we have menu ID for primary key, menu name, price, and category. For order, we have order ID for primary key, order date, and total amount. For transaction, we have transaction ID for primary key, date time, payment method, and total amount. In customer, we have customer ID for primary key, customer name, and contact name. Then we have the last one, employee. In employee, we have employee ID for primary key, employee name, and role. For second normal form, we have menu, order, and transaction. This is final normalization, which is third normal form. In customer, we have customer ID for primary key, customer name, contact number. In order, we have order ID for primary key, order date, and customer ID for foreign key. Order menu, which is our bridge table, it have order menu ID for primary key, quantity, order ID for foreign key, and menu ID for foreign key. In menu, we have menu ID for primary key, menu name, price, and category. In employee, we have employee ID for primary key, and employee name and role. In transaction, we have transaction ID for primary key, payment method, total amount, employee ID for foreign key, and order ID for foreign key.
Assalamualaikum, my name is AHMAD FATIHIN. So today I will present about our database. So here our login menu for our database. First of all, I will try to simulate run username and password first. So when I log in, it will pop up the error message. Sorry, check username and password. Click OK. So I will put the correct username and password. Then Assalamualaikum, my name is AHMAD FATIHIN. So today I will present about our database. So here our login menu for our database. First of all, I will try to simulate run username and password first. So when I log in, it will pop up the error message. Sorry, check username and password. Click OK. So I will put the correct username and password. Then it will pop up to our navigation form. So here our navigation form, we have 4 tabs: menu, reports, forms and subforms. So this is our menu for our Cendol.day cafe. So next is our report. So here we have the customer report, employee report, menu report, order menu report and transaction report. So next we have a form. Change the form. So this is our customer form. We have our customer form, employee form, menu form, order menu form and transaction form. So in customer form, so we look at customer form. I will show the example. So for the customer form, here we have our customer ID. We have 5. So I also can add new customer. Okay, I will put the customer ID first, 108. So customer name, let's say the Chinese Okay, so the contact number is 012-983-213. Okay, so we have click button save. So it should appear on the report di Johan. So we take a look at the report for customer report. So here we have our new customer Johan. Okay, so that's the example So we take a look at the employee form. Try to simulate the same thing. We add new 115. So we add new 118. Employee name, rule is better. Then I save. So we put that in the report for employee report. So here now we have the Famikurasin is a better. Okay. This is our subform for employee subform. Here we can look at Muhammad Razak. He doesn't have any order. This is the subform of my employee and the order So we can choose the next. For SHAHRIZAN have 1 order. Ismail Sabri have 2 orders. A.RAHMAN 1 order. And AMRY doesn't have order yet Okay, so I think that's all from me. Thank you. Assalamualaikum. My name is AHMAD FATIHIN. So today I will